On to the next problem, the drive shaft tunnel in the floor. I've got to cut these 3 cross braces so that I'll have room for the tunnel and the drive shaft to pass through. So I'm trying to tie it all together and give it a little bit of strength. Up front, I'm trying to keep it really tight to the transmission, just give myself enough clearance to make everything work, because the seats I'm going to use set very low and close to the drive shaft. So I got to isolate the inside from the outside and keep it all from rubbing. So with plan A not working, it's time to move on to something a little more substantial. I've got this big sheet of steel that everything's sitting on. Grab some 1/4-inch plate, an old piece of pipe. 1/4-inch plate's going to give me a little bit of space to slide this thin piece of metal under, and the round tube's going to give me something to bend against. And what the heck, I need another hard-to-see tripping hazard anyway. So from here, it's really just trial and error. I'll keep working with this until I get the shape that I want. I noticed the radius was a little too tight, so I had to back up and regroup, straighten it out just a little bit. Ended up drawing a circle on the floor that gave me the radius that I'm looking for. That way I can keep checking to see where I need to bend it or if I've gone too far. Just keep playing with it till you get what you want. I like it. I'm using this heavy gauge metal so that if we have a catastrophic failure of the U-joint, hopefully it'll keep it contained. It'll go south instead of up north with us. What do you think, Sophie? What you think about my tunnel, Sophie? I need you to inspect it. Look all right to you? I know, I'm gonna fix that. So as I was saying before the inspector got here, I'm gonna cut these off. I'll slide this up so it's flush and weld that in. Weld it in on both sides. And we'll step it up and over. Should help keep things south of the floor pan in case something happens to the U-joint. Should also add some strength to our floor. Hopefully we can still get our seats in there. It'll be tight, but we'll make it work one way or another. We'll leave the next problem for another day. Catch y'all later.